Taurus, October 1 to 7. Yeah? Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. So, another weekend. Another weekend na naman po. So, shout out po ako sa mga OFW, mga kapatid nating OFW. Sana ay nasa mabuti tayong kalagayan. Yeah? So, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, OFW din po ako. Kaya I always say hello at sa mga kapatid nating OFW dahil alam ko yung ano niyan, mga pinagdadaanan, kamukha ko rin. Yeah, ito ang gusto natin, madaming kaperahan, blessing. Yes. So anong plano natin? Anong plano natin ngayong weekend? Yat medyo inaantok-antok pa ako at alam nila yung ano niyan, yung ganyang feelings na maraming trabaho, hindi magreklamo dahil umiikot ang mundo. Yeah? Umiikot ang mundo. Kailangan nating i-maximize kung ano ang pwedeng pagkakitaan. Yeah. So, hindi lang man siguro OFW ang ganyan anong mindset. Mostly tayong mga may responsibilidad. Yes? So, mamaya maglalaba-laba. Okay. Energy ni Taurus. Ayan na naman si Taurus. So, very grounded. So, resourceful, fatherly mentality, mindset, provider, may kaibigang Aries, grounded, very grounded. Patuloy pa rin sa pag-nurture, building wealth, at yung building yung kanyang castle. Okay? So, castle, it doesn't mean palasyo talaga, kundi yung fundamentals mo sa buhay, kung ano yung kailangan mong ipaglaban. Yan ang binibuild natin palagi. Yeah? Nag-i-strategize. Okay? May pagka-sneaky. Okay? Sneaky, nasa palagi mong iniisip yung kung puro negosyo, trabaho, yun ang focus mo. Okay? Hindi ka na nag-iisip pa ng iba pang anggulo kung ano yung kailangan mo, and then you will work for that ambition and plano. Yeah? Sneaky sana in a good way. Okay? Lahat tayo sneaky. Alam mo yan. Maski na sa opisina, yeah? Or maski na sa bahay na lang, gagawa ng paraan niya para hindi maglinis or mautusan. Yes? That's how it is. Ganun yan sa work environment. Ayaw mo na rin ng masyadong maraming responsibilidad. Yeah? Okay yun. Correct? I'm not saying na hindi maganda, pero minsan overwhelming din eh. Di po ba? Ganun din ako minsan na ibinibigay natin yung 110 or sometimes 200% dun sa ina-expect sa atin ng mga amo. Okay? Ng mga katrabaho. Yeah, yan ang most ng mga OFW. Kaya maraming kung hindi ka sanay sa ganoon mahihirapan ka to survive. Yan, kasi survival instinct yan eh. Yeah? Na-delay yung sweldo. Okay? So, yun ang gusto mo eh. Kabuhayan. Yeah? Makabili ng ganito, ganyan. Makapagpadala sa Pilipinas. Makatulog. Pero, malitang sahod. So, magiging sneaky ka. It's either mag-overtime ka or maghanap ka ng ibang mapapasukan na malaki ang sweldo. Yeah? Okay? Kasama yan. So, tignan natin. Okay. Taurus. Meron na naman tayong mga desisyon na hinihintay. Liwanag sa dilim. Okay. Meron kang iniisip Dedesisyonan, ayan nga sinasabi ko, yung pagiging snaky, strategy Okay? Meron ka bang naipon na okay na pwede kang bumalik na sa Pilipinas? Or meron ka pang isang strategy na pagkakitaan, hinihintay mo lang yung desisyon, pinagdadasal mo na siya day and night, yun ang palagi mong manifest. Okay? Magandang buhay na manifestation. Yeah? Working towards to that dream. Yun ang sinasabi. Gusto mo nito, kailangan kang kumilos. Okay? Hindi lang puro isip. Kasama yun May action. Okay? May action dapat. Dedesisyonan mo na yan. Yan yung nasa isip natin palagi. Okay? Anything sword is about mental, isip. Hindi yan, walang walang physical existence. Yeah? Pinagdadasal mo, walang physical existence. Inaano mo yan, pinapanaginipan mo pa lang siya. Okay? Ngayon, gusto mo noong physical, magandang bahay, magandang buhay, madaming ipon, anong plano mo? Yeah? So, as simple as that. That's how life works. Correct? Okay. Mabilis Mabilis si Taurus ngayon Hindi siya inaantok. Okay. Okay. Hindi siya parang nananamlay. Okay, maraming nananamlay na sign lately na nakikita ko. Pero nag-iisip pa rin sila. Nasa stage sila na alam mo yung sumisipul-sipul na okay, an example ko dito dati, isang gusto mong bumabaha, gusto mong bumili ng something. Okay? Sabi na lang natin na pagkain. Okay? Pupunta ka sa kabilang kalye. Bumabaha, umuulan. Okay? Yung gusto mo kumain, nasa isip mo yan. Yes, masarap yung pagkain doon sa kabilang kanto. Okay? Ano yung effort na gagawin mo? Okay? Are you ready to put more effort kung ano man yung pangarap mo na yun? You're going somewhere. Okay? Anything na iniisip natin, it's a plano. Walang walang physical existence yan. Hindi babagsak yung puno ng bayabas na hindi mo pipitasin. Ito ngayon yung stage na kailangan mong pumitas. Gaano kalaki yung intention mo to go to that level. Yeah? Gusto mong magkaroon ng malaking lupain at mag-aani ka na lang at the end of the day, pag nagretiro ka at wala ka ng problema, ano yung effort mo? Yeah? Ano yung effort mo? Yung effort mo dito, yung kakapiraso. Okay? I think this is coming from, kung nanggagaling ito sa intention mo, lahat tayo, we all have our intention. Ngayon, ang effort natin, iba-iba. Okay? Kung ano yung intention mo, ano yung action na gagawin mo. Yes? That's the Page of Pentacle. Page, maliit. Hindi pa ganun kasolid. Okay? Bata. Okay? Medyo naninimbang. Okay? So, kailangan mag-strategize si Taurus ngayon. Okay? Alam niya. Alam mo yung gusto mo. I think alam mo yung gusto mo here. Okay? No problem about it. Naghihintay ka ng clarity. Naghihintay ka ng desisyon. Inaalis mo yung emotion mo. Knowing Taurus, hindi sensitive din kayong mga signs, pero solid kayo sa pragmatic, realistic kayong tao. Alam niyo yung kailangan mag-roll ng sleeve. Yes? Mag-roll up ng sleeve. Sa trabaho, kailangan lilinisin ko yung bahay. Gusto ko ng malinis na bahay. Strategize mo. Anong kakailangan mo? Yeah? So, okay, you're thinking about si Taurus ngayon. I think yung energy is talking. Itong mga Taurus people is looking for stability again. You're good on that. Yeah, grounded kayo kasi kayo, earth sign kayo Yeah? Maano rin kayo sa ultra sensitive, pero mas alam niyo yung practicality. Okay. Uy. Okay, ang dami nito. Okay. Yung effort mong na binibigay, maliit lang. Okay? If sa relationship ito, one of you sa partnership, contributing dun sa growth ng relationship nyo, papusyaw-pusyaw. Ito yung tipong one steps forward, three steps backward. Merong hesitation, definitely. I can see it here because, okay, you, sa environment mo now, okay, you want to walk towards the sun. Okay, sun is all about all the blessings and abundance. Nakikita mo, walang dilim. Okay, relationship-wise, it's look like, okay, ano yung mga hidden, ano mo, you have some issues as well. Issues, relationship issues, partnership issues, or you just do not know basically, this is codependence. Okay? Codependence in a way na iniobliga mo yung sarili mo on something na you should be doing. Yeah? Kasi naka-attach ka somewhere, somehow, okay? Yan yung mga white lies. Yan yung mga, okay? Yan yung mga addiction. Yan yung mga toxicity, negative vibe na surrounding you na hindi ka makaalis. Okay? I think you want to change and move somewhere because of that. Yun ang dilemma mo. Okay? You're strategizing. You know what you want. You've dreamt about it. Pinagdadasal mo siya. You know that you can go to that. Ito yung energy na hinahanap mo eh. The clarity and the stage na ayaw mo na ng player. Okay? You want the whole truth and nothing but the truth. Yes? Pero, the effort na ginagawa mo to find the truth and to go to that strong, foundation ng relationship, sa trabaho, sa career, sa anything na solid. Ayaw mo kasi ng ayaw ni Taurus minsan ng parang hilaw. I know that, okay? But there's some issue na it's not something good. I do not know kung ano itong issue na ito. Okay? Sa environment mo, if it's a relationship or sa opisina, ito yung mga DPWH. May nangyayari pero walang kumikibo. May nangyayari pero walang nagsasalita at somebody to correct it. Inaccept nila on yung what is wrong. Okay? And they think yung wrong na yon is the right thing to do. Okay? Ang tanong dyan is, did you do something doon sa sitwasyon na yon? Okay? Okay? Katiting. Okay? You have 3 pages here. Okay? Ito yung very amateur, very young. You see that boy dun sa Blue Ribbon Committee? Di ba ang babata noong mga na yon, and they sound na para naglalaro sila. Okay? That's the strategy. Okay? The innocent sometimes, yung pagiging walang kakulangan sa kaalaman, okay? The knowledge, you thought that you are powerful. Yeah. I think this is a very clear message. That's a good example yun sa sinabi kong sa DPWH. Wala, I think hindi nila alam yung morals. Yeah, kung alam nila hindi ganoon ka-solid yung morality. Just imagine yung ginawa nilang kalokohan, a lot of people were affected. Hindi ilan yung namatay at nasira ang, it's a bad thing. I don't want to talk about it. Yung effect noong ginawa mong kalokohan. Yeah? Now, you apply to that situation you have now, Taurus. Ano itong energy na gusto mo kumawala? Yeah? Gusto mo kumawala. You have a dream of, you just want to, yung mga kabataan na yun, gusto lang nila nang maka-enjoy ng mga Lamborghini at mga mamahaling sasakyan, and siguro napapanood nila yan sa social media. Masarap daw yung ganon. Okay. Masarap gumastos ng lunch na worth 700,000. Oh, okay. Makapagyabang. Okay. And then, you suddenly have a wake-up call. Alam mo yung ginagawa mo Pero, yung fundamentals mo, what is your moral value, hindi mo alam kung what is right and what is wrong. Alam mo yung right and wrong, pero you accepted it as right. Wala kang nag-experimentation stage. Gusto mong yumaman, magandang buhay, you have to put more effort. And I think in your situation now, you are starting to learn that basic fundamentals, the high priestess, the knowledge, the wisdom, the intuition. You cannot have those level of intelligence if you're not going through. There's nothing wrong with being young and dumb. Nanggaling din po ako dyan. That's how you learn. So, I think what you need to understand now is you need to get away and understand who you are. I think that's where you're struggling. Meron po bang ganyan, Taurus? Yeah, so this is not something easy, lalo kapag walang guidance, proper guidance. But at the end of it all, you will have the clarity and yung sana, and the most powerful card sa tarot. Okay, whatever power that you want to have, I can see power here. Okay, the power and the fight between what is right and what is not right. You are weighing that one. That's your struggle, strategizing stage. Yeah, meron bang ganyan, Taurus? Okay. That's the overall. Ngayon, ano ngayon yung ini-strategize mo na yan? Okay? Relationship ba yan? Kasi anything na ini-strategize na atin ano yan? Big ano yan? It's a big decision. Okay? It will affect, and it not only affect, it will have a long-lasting effect. Yeah? Ayan na naman yung dasan mo, oh. Okay. This is big, okay? Sino ba itong nakikita kong ambitious na Taurus na ito? This is ambitious energy. Okay? This is ambitious energy. Yeah? So, magkape-kape po muna tayo habang this is getting interesting, Taurus. Okay. I just need to know kung sino itong mga Taurus na ito. Okay, yung conviction mo, okay? Your solid foundation in terms of your conviction at paniniwala mo. Ito yung mga taong okay, alam mo sa magkakaibigan, merong somebody na maangas, hindi mo masasabing maarte or kapag nakausap mo siya, alam mo na alam niya yung Yung, it is not the right or wrong, kundi yung siya. Okay? So, the way ng yung mannerism, the way they talk about issue, the way they talk about, ano lang, sa pamilya, or the way they talk about sa eskwelahan. Okay? Alam nila their stand on that example. Okay, this is one example. Di ba sa kolehiyo, nauso noong panahon ng diktadorya na yung mga aktivista, okay, that's how you classify yourself here. Yun ang category niyan. Yung mga nagsasalita sa mga nag-i-strike, nagbabarikada, yun. Alam nila yung gusto nila. Okay? Hindi sila pupunta sa center stage at lalamya-lamya. Okay? Ano to? This is a leader. Okay? Lahat tayo leader. We lead our own life. Yeah? Ngayon, depende na lang yan kung ano po, how do you want to lead your life. Lead your life in kasinungalingan, kamukha ng ginawa ng mga DPWH, or you want to live a life in life of truth or an honest and toxicity. Yeah. Yun ang pinagpipilian mo. Yun ang pinagpipilian po natin palagi. That's basically what life is all about. Taurus. Pero si Taurus I can see her Taurus na palaging inspired. Inspired in all aspect of your life. Okay? Yeah, kailangan mo yan Kailangan po natin yan Kasi otherwise, you can't move. You can't move and you can't make a decision kung hindi mo alam talaga kung ano yung gusto mong kakainin. Palagi kang okay. You don't mind na hindi mo iniintindi yung sinasabi ng iba. Okay? I think that's one strong character na Taurus. Yeah. So, I think nasabi ko na yata in the previous video ko, I used to work with a very strong Taurus. Okay? Medyo maangas. Kasi argumentative din po minsan sila. Okay? Minsan ganun din ako. So, hindi boring. Okay? Yes? Pero minsan yung ganoon, it can work both ways, okay? Yung pagiging maangas natin. Okay? I can see the card below, at the back. Okay. To hold it. Okay? Hold it. That's what it is. Okay? Yung personality, kung merong you are becoming too strong, especially in the work environment or something, relationship, keep it for the meantime. That's what it's saying. Lie low. Okay? If you want to, you're acting too fast and too quick sometimes. Okay? Or somebody around you. Or ikaw ito, Taurus. Okay? You know yung gusto mo? Sometimes medyo tricky ka or somebody is tricky. Okay? It's either you or somebody on the environment not affecting you, yung toxicity, you feel na if you stay on that type of unhealthy environment, you will not achieve kung ano yung hinahanap mo. Okay? Kaligayahan, fulfillment. Now, you also need to pause. Okay? I think very erratic yung energy mo in terms of giving your energy to correct or yung bang engagement mo dun sa relationship fundamentals. Okay? Yung nakikita mo na meron nang nagnanakawan sa DPWH, halimbawa, nandun kang nagtatrabaho, ngayon, very passive ka, okay? There are times na you are working so quickly merong walang emosyon, and you starting to maybe not really hurt, pero it doesn't sits well. Alam mo yun? It doesn't sits well to other people. Okay? That's something that you need to be cautious. Okay? Or that it's something na overly cautious. Okay? It can be. Okay? You need to be cautious, or baka you are overly cautious. Kasi yung effort is maliliit sa relationship eh. Inutusan ka na halimbawa ng amo or partner mo to do something, and then instead of okay, mamalengke ka, okay, yung tipong pinamalengke ka lang, naggrocery ka na ng buong buwan, okay, you are overdoing it sometimes, or alam mo na yung responsibility, pero you're not still put. Alam mo na wala nang laman yung fridge eh. Naghihintay ka pa ng magbubunga nga sa'yo. Yeah? Yung ganong element. Okay? It's either too cautious or overly cautious. Yeah. Meron ba ganyan, Taurus? Tignan natin. Yun ang dynamics na tinimbang mo eh. Okay? Not necessarily naninimbang ka, pero yun ang that's how it plays dun sa relationship mo eh. Dito sa energy na ito. Aside from yung merong negative na toxicity, I think that's also affect. And maliliit lang yung ino-offer mong solution. Okay? This is where you're coming from. Okay? You want the strong foundation and fundamental, and you still want more to able to achieve yung personal dream, your personal happiness, your family happiness, your relationship happiness, your work environment happiness. Okay? You're in between of strategizing. Pero ang question dyan is your effort. Yung effort and how you gonna go to that direction. Okay? You can see here, you are strategizing, you are hardworking, you are strategizing, you want to think more, and you know ano yung pangarap mo at yung pinagdadasal mo. Okay? Now, 3D world, ano yung effort mo? Ano yung mga issues na kinahaharap mo? Okay? Before you can go to that kaligayahan. Yeah? Okay? So marami kang issue na you need to make sure na it's working. Okay? Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung ano pa ang yung inspired action mo nandoon eh. Kaya lang, when I say inspired action, yung effort mo para tumawid dun sa baha. Where is that coming from? Or are you willing to take that na maglakad sa baha para makain mo yung masarap na inaasam-asam pinapaginipan mo? Okay. Another 7 of 1. Okay. You're dealing with so many players around you. Okay? I think that's your blocking. Do you have support financially? Or you need support financially? Or you did something financially? Okay. Tatlo yung angulo na nakita ko rito. Okay, because I see the devil card. Okay. Ito yung mga trickster na mga scammers. Okay? Ito yung nangungutang na hindi nagbabayad. Or ito yung honest naman siya, pero walang opportunity for them to get that resources. Okay? Walang yung way to get that strong relationship. Okay? Put it this way, if hindi ito work related, ito yung nangyayari sa environment sa pang-araw-araw na buhay. uh, somebody is not even serious to yung nga kamukha yung sinasabi ko, yung mamamalengke ka or ano, the effort is there, the intention is there, pero you have to find means para mapuno mo yung frigidaire, yung pagkain. Okay? There's another element of that. Okay? The intention and the effort is there. Okay? But you don't have the means to mamalengke. Okay? Ano yun? That's the strong foundation of having money, having a job, having help na mautangan, or having somebody who will provide. Okay? Somebody is not providing yung practicality. Okay? The effort, the intention to tumawid, nandoon. Willing ka nang tumawid para mamalengke. Yes? But the means to go there, wala ka namang payong. Okay? Wala kang pera. Or you're not even probably helping, or somebody is not helping. Okay? Okay? The dynamics are there na nagsimula ka sa, alam mo yung gusto mo, walang problema. Ngayon, mag-strategize tayo. We already know what I'm going. Yung effort mo, maliit. Hindi ka naman tumutulong yata. Okay? Puro lang dada. Okay? Kung meron man, napakaraming, ito yung sinasabi ko Okay, yung sources, yung resources, where is it coming from? Where is the resources coming from? Ito yung mga pinapakain ng again, no, walang judgment. When I see this one here, okay, I'm not saying na the resources coming from sugal, or it's not so. I mean, I don't want to be parang moral compass. So there's nothing wrong sa pag to work under the table. Okay, I don't know bakit pumasok sa isip ko yun. Something like that. Okay, but you want to correct it. Do you want to correct it, or gusto mong baguhin yon, or you want to stay this way? I think that's the question I have. Okay, matalino naman itong matalino itong Taurus na ito. Maari yung environment mo don't have that yun yung environment natin, malaking effect yan you were not given the opportunity, so you might resort to something, funny things. Okay, is that meron po bang ganyan, Taurus? Yeah, but I tell you one thing, you just need to claim your. There is a way to improve this, because this the devil card is a lover in reverse. The lover card, okay? You see that chain on the devil card, parang puppet ito I don't think you like to become a puppet for a long time. Is that something na gusto mong strategize mo to get away? To get away and to lose from that chain? Yeah. Okay. That's another factor for the situation. Siguro kaya yung effort na binibigay mo rito na to your dream and aspiration na tumawid doon sa kabilang kali at bumili, you also feel hopeless, kaya yung effort na binibigay mo kakapiraso. Sorry po. Yeah, I'm looking at the card kasi I'm looking at the way they talk to each other. Okay. Is this ongoing? Is this ongoing, Taurus? Okay. Is addiction to, another one is addiction to codependency to somebody who has more and better resources than you are. Okay? I just make it simplify. Resources, mayroong pera. Okay? Na wala ka ng iniisip pa and you're comfortable with that setting. Pero dumarating yung time na you just want to get out there because that's not who you are. I can see your energy na you want to stand up on your 2 feet here. Okay? Pero sa iniisip mo, now you don't have that power. Now you don't have power. Kung kahirapan yung sinasabi mo, sa iniisip natin, ito yung, ay, ganito na lang po ako. Yeah, meron tayong ganyang mentality. We have that mentality. You have to hear the 7 of Swords. Somebody is, tricky. Or ikaw ito. Okay? Ito yung mga white lies and somebody na ito yung mga sneaky na dumadaan sa likod ng bahay para ayaw makita or sa kabilugan ng buwan. Okay? Because they want to hide. Meron silang, their intention is, they have other intention. I hindi ko na sabihin kung ano yung intention nila. Okay? They have other intention. O ikaw itong mayroong ganitong intention. I don't need to explain the devil card. Okay? The 7 of Swords is looking at the devil. Okay? The devil is all about manipulation, codependency, toxicity, addiction, gambling, of excess in anything in excess, matakaw sa pagkain, matakaw sa kama, matakaw sa yes. And that's addiction. So gusto mo na makakawala doon para makilala mo yung sarili mo dito eh. Okay? I'm not hindi ko nasasabihin kung ano yung naisip ng trabaho dito. Okay? So sa dami ng mga online something na nangyayari. Yeah, meron ba ganyan, Taurus? So yeah, this is heavy reading. Okay? It's happening. So good luck kung ano ang final na strategy resort na ginagawa mo. So okay, kuha ako ng moon card. Okay? If this is ongoing, you're strategizing. That's all I can say. The rest noong nangyayari dito, ito yung mga samot-samot na alam mo alam natin sa buhay may mga side kick na pangyayari. Ko agree? Oh. Sabi ng cow, a new beginning or even a new life may be blooming. That's what you're looking actually. Ito yung gusto kong madalas kay Taurus kapag binabasa ko yung card niya. I just want to share kapag nagsashuffle ako, you connect with that zodiac sign. So may mga sign na very indecisive, merong zodiac sign na talagang ibibigay niya yung energy na kinoconnect ko. So, and this is your new beginning, Taurus. Kung sino itong Taurus na ito, matalino itong Taurus na ito. Okay? Realistic. And admire, sorry, I have to admit personally, I admire Taurus people. Yeah. I admire Taurus people. I know a few Taurus people. I think hindi mo naman pinoproblema ito eh. No judgment. Kung gusto mo dun sa that type of lifestyle, no judgment. Walang judgment. Pero you want to change. Okay? To change. Okay, kuha ako ng, titignan ko lang, magsashuffle pa ako ng 1 or 2 card kung uulitin niya ulit yung message o ibibigay niya yung, I just want to see if the the tower will come out. Okay, ano ko lang, extra few minutes. Okay, I just want to see kung sino kukunin kong card dito. Ito siguro. Okay. Yeah, happiness. Okay, Taurus. Tignan ko lang kung ano yung outcome mo. Kasi pagod ka eh. Pagod ka na dito sa toxicity mo. Lahat po tayo merong ganoon. Walang judgment po. Did I see a Scorpio? Meron ka bang Scorpio o Capricorn? Okay. Ang dami mong new beginning eh. Okay, Taurus, October 1 to 7. Okay, I just want to see one. Okay. Number 20. Okay, I think this is the world card. Oh, judgment. Okay. Okay, nasa reckoning ka. Reckoning. Okay? Mabubuko, lilitaw ang katotohanan, lilitaw ang dapat lumitaw. This is very karmic. Yeah. I think this is Gabriel or Raphael. Angel. Parang whistleblower. Okay? So, ano ito? Yeah. Okay? So, kung nag-resonate po, it's a new beginning. Anything judgment is all about ending again. Yan eh. Ending of another cycle. So, a new beginning or even a new life may be blooming. Yeah. Okay. So, Taurus. So, October 1 to 7. So, enjoy po ang weekend. See you again.